Ebusuyama Okaba from Blogger and Sam TV. So, Ediam Jesso, any promise the blogger. And you remember being some to your say, Sanka John Dramani Mahama, air drinker, inquire the most poisonous air drink in the world. And so the two Jano, any young Congo Tibenia, Yanso, Yabedi Hong
Mahama, Sanko your drinker, Anka on your drink for Frubia to say poison, Mahama, or a very poisonous man, snake under grass pa Mahama, wicked evil. Be bon sampa no ne nam hosano Mahama na ene se emre ye di kaso emre ye di kaso obetena so atena so o mre beso o mre anso a nature ebekumum ene wo frɛ ne den yadema toguma pani odi owen ne mre aso we wukɔ enti sa na etenen we president wa Ghana president na we Ghana no we president e ma Ghana fu nyina sa na yese nyansa e ka kire wonen we nye president e ma NDC fu nko we president e ma Ghana nyina wo enne wo kasa about hate speech na hate speech no mesre wo MPP fu nko na sa hate speech law no e koma wo mana just recently ye call Akwetia by election Musa mo wa friend den oluma kurasini no di mo echi a wo si wo friend Ay3k3 eka wo hosi wo friend Winiba MP no wo ho no obeto no wo Akwetia ho a anka ye be by election e wo Winiba. What do he mean by that? Mahama no want ana IGP kwasi antemo tibom so yare otwa wo so oyare timelele wo so oye denyo obi nim ya no IGP wante between Abronye ene Ay3k3 when o deserve handcuff hina ene ese ye man handcuff
Abusia asemu me say by this time His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana man penini jide se wonu ne ho wo nsem obekan ya about say ombe use IP address at tracking California day because I can say since obekan sa asem no a lot of people have been coming out and as they say an crowd here aye west so what you asem enu abema yi eken ya osisenka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama a drinker nka obeye poison yes o chire mu a ni ho hu yie na uteni nsem na oka na ebusuya emu orem. But video didn't see it, right? Video didn't see it. There's a lot of things I was can't to us. And my person will be to was here. Now, question sans some no sans so can't to us no. Eddie Abba. Na yes, we are. Actually, I do was answer some walking dear. A bushia more na yantiemu, na antiasia. Yes, went to meet the adjun. When Tibusia, yes, your full video in some of the two Janine and na yuya yenso ne asanso abehedin abetire adwin ewon
na bronye eye ekanti a ono de mode hankofa abegu no na Ay3k3 ede nam ho hwenkurase attitude Ay3k3 ekoda na di wo friend den Akwetia de ne sapempem amanfo hwena no yenja no ye basabasa wo ho IGP satam na wani efira na ano man mo for say NDC ni ye nkwase ade de ono do deserve because mo na ban wo ho na MPP ni kasa de na ye say ye kwa hankofo no nanado se no bu man anka emedu pempenso na nanado peja Ghana kosi no nanado HC TikTokers eno chesi ode na son mema wo friend den speech sa enko baby a ankanyen ne baby o peja Ghana kodu ya wo abenya na fala na wo san de bre na se no wa ba bem 8 good months wonye hwe mo man ne ye wonye nyansa di bia wo man no mu ye TikTok na wo sorry a wo ne nam ho na wo hwe amanfo videos a wo ye na wo arrest TikTokers sam mawe ya wo arrest won no speech a wo man no hate speech is saying wo friend dem bola so adi bi wo wo friend say GM ba hwa miss GM ba meboni speech o mine na wa hwe say ono no do deserve say o trans no continue ye na adwuma ana no kind no ono deserve handcuff na maiwa bi a one the wo kasa a wo hwe say kasa na in favor of MPP na the one who deserve handcuff ana Mahama amemu na ubu no. It should be equal justice. Equal justice. Nia MPP ni be ya obegu ne handcuff no. NDC one way kasa ma NDC for no so kasa sa gu ne handcuff. Sa Miss JM ba sa munti asem o kan.
Me say me sat na hanu bia mu na eka and na 12 August mo dating to 2028 me say MPP flag bearer bi o mu be yi bi so on beto no so aba so we must stand for presidential candidate me say the party be nya kwahia of player card play the be hwo of card the be hwo one na ye na ma be wu
Someone mati asema ababa ne kan. Ano de hate speech. No bi kwaka say BBS na ne esi no e obi fo franco pede ono do deserve handcuff na ne ababa e kan say 2028 wo friend dem flag bearer bia MPP be yi no ono de obenya kwanhia o tena prema pen ne be hwe akumo na wewu na ebusu ewu ne de ano de hate speech ana ono do deserve handcuff Mahama fanyansa bu mai keke membe say Ghana na amafo no nanado adawro ma wa build edu baby no membe say no uba na nsen ya wakaza hwe oman ni ma ye tan oman ni ma ye tan tribalism na mo hyehyɛ ase na hemfo so wontie wuwu o magimigimi nti no omo agya wonim de ato na wodi politicians echi na wo ye tribalism ene ye kidnap we wa ha ene ye kum we ato ene ye aye we wa ha eno no wo men no ye wo dadwen tiktokers na wo chesi won ni ababa yi kan Miss JM ba yi kan de ono de on deserve handcuff on de waka ne trasa no na mo ho ya MPP TikTok ade a ono de deserve handcuff ebre ye ni nka so
ebusia yen sama akwa bi omo yenwa ba ma echi omo ani ha onyina ne se ontia se de nti a ya chi abonye no edi handcuff egu ni nsa se de oye kronfo na ye de na ahye car efe ne se Black Maria no eye car bi ye de eye criminal or ye dangerous, the most dangerous criminal in the nation Black Maria ni mu. Na yenwa be ma say ontia say abronye enye obi anu hu. Abronye is not obi a or ye violence person na so ye harmful to the state or something. And until no ontia say the entia ye di abronye be she this type of car mu na ye de anko pegu ni nsa se oye kronfo akọ akoyere akọ wiade. That is number 1. Number 2, or say we be try and say Ay3k3 has been arrested and granted bail. Now you know NDC is a very funny political party and they think say they are playing with case or something, because how can you tell me that you arrested someone and at the same time granted the person bail without even telling us the amount of money you're granting a bail? Because you need more before I'm 10 billion, 1 billion, 1 wine, any sureties. But with this Ay3k's own, we didn't see any picture of him being arrested, any video of him being arrested. He didn't say anything. Later, even that day, we saw a video of him. I was temally interchanging. I see one baby and the boys. That's one no more. Omo then. Omo numbia is omo then omo feel. Now when I gonna funny be say as a mono say Jimmy because this thing that you guys are doing, you know, it doesn't make sense. And that person in Ukraine not threatening to unalive someone because the words that he said automatically means something that, like, remember your caught by election will be what the next say automatically, you know, it has said that no be kuna say bibisa. So people are asking, say, why is it that that person in is it because that person is affiliated to your political party? And no like Uja and so uncle. And I said, and this is some of the concerns that Ghanaians are raising. They feel like this current government is not treating people fairly. They feels like, as a the way they are treating people, no, they are being selective. Say, oh, for the ADR, as no send ye treat you now, oh, for the being so, as soon as send ye bedding, ye be treat you. And some Ghanaians are saying that that is not good, that is not fair, that is very, very bad, because this is not the good way I say you call. Let it build a country in any democracy, no. And these are the reasons why I'm for Australia. Omokasa day in, day out. Day in, day out. And I think even the president by now would be asking himself questions, say, to me back say me ye, and ask him back ye. Because it seems like you know, people are now even talking more. People are now feeling like, Massa, since when did you notice this? Since when did you knew say enema be say no enye? So they are saying so you're hypocrite and ade. But me want to watch you in or comment section nemu. What do you think about what this guy said about the decision that John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, in making no? Me want you to comment section nemu na nso chira wadwin. Me din am jeso any promise to be hamam Ghana and Sem TV. So they are making Ghana and Sem senior me koso Ghana de. Hana obeti me catching in our life and colored. Bibi a opese otimunti ase na onya munti ase ne. Say for politics won kwa de. On number 1 page a obeti hwe Ghana and Sem TV. Message was say subscribe to channel na my na abibi a baby anso no. You post video a make sure say video no wo be hwe na